Okay, you know the rules. Okay, always follow my command. Again, no hitting, low blow, and back of the head. Okay, touch your gloves. Go back to your corner.
Now we are on
Hello
the
everyone.
first round.
আমাদের সেকেন্ড অ্যামেচার বাউট শুরু হয়ে গেল। My name is Sabit Abdullah and joining me is Sadman Sakif bhai. Bhai অভিজ্ঞতাটা বলেন, how is it?
It is amazing, guys. Like the energy here. I never witnessed anything like this in Bangladesh. And right now, Sheikh Mohammed with Saidul.
Sheikh Mohammed red corner, blue corner Saidul.
The heat is rising. Oh!
Okay.
Sheikh Mohammed gets a takedown. But then Saidul gets right back up.
Saidul's trying to jump on, trying to take him down.
Oh!
And then reverse again by, I think, Sheikh Mohammed right now on top, on bottom.
Sheikh Mohammed bhai ke guard pass করার চেষ্টা করতেছে নাকি? He's trying to pass the guard. He's trying to get into the half guard position. And now he's raining down ground and pound.
And it's a mayhem inside this cage.
If I were Sheikh, I would try to push the opponent above away, you know?
The tensions are rising.
Sheikh Mohammed bhai কি কন্ট্রোল টাইম পাচ্ছে?
Okay. Sheikh Mohammed's trying to establish side control.
Sheikh Mohammed guard pass করে ফেলেছে টপ মাউন্টে এখন।
Okay.
Sheikh Mohammed top মাউন্টে গ্রাউন্ড এন্ড পাউন্ড করার চেষ্টা করছে। And he got his back. He got it
He's
down.
on his back.
No, but I think
He's trying for the rear naked
He's trying
choke.
to take control.
Saidul is out.
But Saidul reverse করে ফেলছে।
Okay, that's the knee.
Sheikh Mohammed এখন তাকে পিন করে রেখেছে কেজের এগেইনস্টে। Saidul reverse করার চেষ্টা করছে with some body knees. Head knee করার চেষ্টা করলো but it did not land.
And the tensions are rising.
Saidul is showing good takedown defense, you know? If I were Sheikh, I would try to change levels again and then go for the body. Exactly.
Oh, what a body shot by Sheikh Mohammed.
Okay.
Sheikh Mohammed body shot আবার মারলো।
What a night it has
আবার
been.
body shot.
Man, those are
Wow,
some
what a body shot.
Oh.
Flurry of body shots.
অত্যন্ত ভালো placement of knees.
Plenty of body shots.
আবার টেক ডাউন অ্যাটেম্প, আবার ব্যাক টেক অ্যাটেম্প হয়ে যাচ্ছে
That's
শেখ
an
মোহাম্মদ ভাই।
attempt. Oh.
Does he secure the takedown?
Just slammed him on
And
the
again, Saidul landing up on top.
আবার গার্ড পাস করে ফেলেছে শেখ মোহাম্মদ। আবার টপে।
Sheikh Mohammed on top.
Sheikh Mohammed should get his hooks in, বুঝছো? If he got his hooks in, he would have been in better control.
I think he's trying to finish the game early, ground and
Finding the
pound.
spaces.
Yeah, but sadly, you're going to see Saidul get out of this again. Because the other guy's hooks are not in. 10 seconds.
গ্রাউন্ড এন্ড পাউন্ড করছে আস্তে ধীরে, কন্ট্রোল টাইম নিয়ে ফেলছে।
And 10 seconds left.
Let's not count Sheikh Mohammed out of the fight yet. He's still.
Oh.
And the bell is underway for the second round. Both fighters squaring up.
And it's a head attempt by Saidul.
Saidul.
কিন্তু শেখ মোহাম্মদ আবার ডিসটেন্স ক্লোজ করে ফেলেছে, ক্লিঞ্চ করছে এখন। সাইদুল আবার বডি নি করলো বাট ডাউন বাই শেখ মোহাম্মদ। শেখ মোহাম্মদ এখন সাইড কন্ট্রোলে।
Sheikh Mohammed is in side control of MD Imon.
Saidul has to get out of there. If I was Saidul, I would get out of there, you know? It's a very bad place to be. Now stuck in that situation in the cage.
শেখ মোহাম্মদ আবার গার্ড পাস করার চেষ্টা করছে, ক্রুসিফিক্সে চলে গেছে। এখন রাউন্ড এন্ড পাউন্ড করছে। নাও হি অলমোস্ট গেটস হিজ ব্যাক বাট দ্য কন্ট্রোল গেটস রিভার্সড। বাট শেখ মোহাম্মদ আবার স্ক্র্যাম্বল করে উপরে চলে এসেছে।
What a
This is
night
why
it
I
is
said
becoming.
it's so important to have your hooks in, especially when you take someone to the ground. If you don't establish position, there is no control over position.
Yeah.
See, both fighters are up again.
দুজনে আবার উঠে গেছে। শেখ মোহাম্মদ আবার কন্ট্রোল টাইম গেইন করার চেষ্টা করছে, কিন্তু এখন সাইদুল তার উপরে।
Man, what a Dagestani level scramble.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah. What a
It's a good scramble. It's a good scramble.
Yeah.
দুজনে রেসলিং হেভি অ্যাপ্রোচ করার চেষ্টা করতে। এখন সাইদুল হ্যাজ হিজ ব্যাক। ও মাই গড, সাইদুল হ্যাজ হিজ ব্যাক। সাইদুল হ্যাজ শেখ মোহাম্মদ's back.
What a neck to neck fight
He
it
just
is.
needs to get those hooks in and give a rear naked choke, you know?
আরএনসির চেষ্টা করা হচ্ছে, আবার গ্রাউন্ড এন্ড পাউন্ড করতেছে।
But Sheikh Mohammed is protecting himself from that situation. I think he was in turtle. But you know what? This might be it if he can signal it
It is
properly.
mayhem
Wow,
inside this
Saidul
cage.
is trying for RNC. RNCর চেষ্টা হয়ে যাচ্ছে। That looks deep. Oh my god. Sheikh Mohammed taps. It's all over.
ஆண்டவனே நம்ம பக்கம் இருக்கான்.
Oh, Okay, so the winner by second round submission, Saidul Molla. You wanna say something, bro? No. Okay, okay. Bro, you wanna say something?
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu ista'inu bis-sabri was-salah. Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. Indeed, Allah is with the patience. You know, coming out of this fight, I fought today with 102-degree fever and headache. You know, I was almost about to pull out, but you have to be man enough and overcome the obstacles, the adversities to become a fighter. I fought, and that's my win with fever. You know, next time you won't see me hands down. I promise, next time you will never see me hands down. Okay.
Thank you.